Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I'm going to talk about today is Paul Stevenson and Exitus Elite. And Exitus Elite is an 8-year business done right. Paul Stevenson has everything to do with that. And even to this day, we're getting updates in Exitus Elite. It's been, this summer, it's officially going to be 8 years. And all I can say is, I did a video already on Exitus Elite and Paul Stevenson when I first started back in January, but I just wanted to shoot another one just to show you guys why I believe this is a all-around great opportunity. I've been in many opportunities where I've gotten hurt, my downline's gotten hurt, and I got to a point where I almost quit. And I'm not the type of person that quits. I'm not a quitter, really, but it got me so down that I almost quit. But I bounced back, I rebounded, and it took me a while before I found an opportunity that I could go with where I didn't feel afraid to bring those people into the business. And that's why for a long period of time I was just promoting Power Lead System. So I came across Exitus Elite. I mean, I've heard about it before. It's been around for almost 8 years now. This summer, officially, it's going to be 8 years. And I decided to go with it. My sponsor, he had been in it for 6 years. And I saw that he was making those $1,000 commissions. So that was a very enticing means of me getting into it too, but I wanted a platform where people could get value, they could get and a platform where people didn't have to bring in hundreds of people in order to start making some decent to life-changing income. So that's why I went with Exitus Elite. We make $100 commissions. We can make between $100 commissions to $2,000 to up to $2,000 commissions, and they're all instant. You get to choose what payment processors that you want to use to get paid, and I've done tons of videos on that. You can check out my other videos. But the thing that also I loved about Exitus Elite, that it had an owner in Paul Stevenson that cared about the business and the opportunity. And Exitus Elite is coming up with some of the biggest updates to the platform in 8 years. And that just shows you how great of an owner Paul Stevenson is. Not too many opportunities update their business after 8 years, if it runs that long. And in some of the things that he's going to be doing is he's going to be upgrading the G100. So you're going to get all the training that you've probably seen in all of my other videos in that level, but he's going to be packing it with more value for even the beginners. So there's really no excuse why no one can succeed in this, because you're getting all the training there. But the problem is that a lot of people, they end up joining an opportunity and they don't do anything. They get frozen. My sponsor always told me to focus at one way of getting out to people and master that one way. And I have pretty much mastered YouTube. I love YouTube. It's my favorite way to go out. That's why I love making these videos for you guys. But anyways, to get back to Paul Stevenson, yeah, he's just a great owner. And he's very transparent. He's going to tell us what he's going to be doing, and he doesn't do any shady things or anything like that. And I have no fear of bringing people in just because he's such a great owner and he's honest and transparent. So I think that's all I'm going to say in this video. Exitus Elite is a great all-around opportunity. Only thing I ask from you guys, if you do end up joining, is just take it seriously. know that there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick opportunity. They all require some work, but you can make very, very good life-changing income in this opportunity. So that's all I'm going to say in this video, and I hope to see you guys all in the next video. If you want to learn more about Exitus Elite, you can watch one of my other videos. I'll probably have one tagged to this video. And make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it, so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.